Welcome to the An English Coffee Office. Today is Sunday, June 15, and like every morning, David and Alex are at the coffee machine.
Hey Alex, how's it going today?
Hey David, I'm good, thanks. How about you?
Not bad. Just need this coffee to wake up. It's a busy day ahead.
Same here. Got a big meeting later.
Oh, meetings always fun. Hey, did you hear about the trade talks with Japan and South Korea?
Yes, I saw that. The US is pushing for new deals?
Yeah. President Trump announced some plans. I hope it means more business for us.
It could be good for sales. But I wonder how it affects smaller companies.
True, big deals sound nice, but we need clients to buy. Let's see if it helps my numbers.
I think it's about building stronger ties in Asia. That's important for the future.
For sure, as long as I get more orders, I'm happy. Haha, more coffee, more sales.
Haha, you and your coffee. It's always about the numbers with you.
Gotta keep the boss happy. Speaking of new stuff, did you see the news about Google and OpenAI?
Yes, I read that Google's cloud service might team up with OpenAI. That's big for tech.
Yeah, it's all about more computing power. I just hope my computer doesn't crash with all these updates.
Haha, don't worry. It's more for AI projects. It could change how we manage data.
I get it, but I'm just a sales guy. As long as my emails work, I'm fine.
It's more than emails. Think about better tools for planning or tracking projects.
Okay, that sounds cool. Maybe I'll sell more with smarter apps or something.
Maybe tech is moving fast. We need to keep up.
True. I'm already behind with my phone. Hey, did you hear about the ocean conference in France?
Yes. Over 120 countries are talking about climate change and ocean damage. It's important.
Yeah, it's a big deal. I mean, I like a clean beach as much as the next guy.
Haha, it's more than beaches. It's about saving the planet for the future.
I know. But hey, if it means better fish for my lunch, I'm in.
You're funny, but seriously, we all need to care about this.
For sure. I'm just joking. It's good they're talking about it.
Yes, I hope they find solutions. It affects everyone, even our work in small ways.
Yeah, like shipping costs or materials. Everything connects, right?
Exactly. It's all part of the bigger picture.
Man, we talk about heavy stuff over coffee. We should get paid for this.
Haha. Maybe we should start a podcast. But I've got deadlines waiting.
Same here, got calls to make. Catch you later, Alex.
See you later, David. Have a good day.
You too. Let's get through this busy day.
Time to get to work. Don't forget to subscribe and practice your English every day. You'll see how it just keeps getting better and better. See you tomorrow. Hope you have a fantastic day.